In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add autoplay background music to Wix website. To get started, open your Wix editor so you are on the page where you want the background music to play. This is where you will add and configure the music player. Make sure you are inside the editor itself and not just viewing the live site, because the changes need to be made from the editing panel. Once you are in the editor, go to the left-hand side of the screen and click the Add Elements button, which is marked with a plus sign. This section lets you insert new features and content into your website. After that menu opens, look for the Video and Audio category and select it. This is where Wix keeps the tools related to media, including audio players. From there, add a music player to your page. After the player appears on the editor canvas, click on the newly added player and choose Manage Your Music. This is the area where you can connect or organize the audio you want the player to use. Take a moment here to make sure your selected music is the one you want visitors to hear when the page opens. When you are done managing the music, return to the editor page and click on the music player element again. This brings up the controls for that specific player. Next, click the settings icon, which looks like a small gear. The settings panel is where you adjust how the player behaves on your site. Inside the settings, scroll down until you find the option labeled Autoplay when page loads. Turn that setting on. Enabling this option tells Wix to start the audio automatically as soon as someone lands on that page. This is the key setting that makes the background music begin without the visitor needing to press play manually. As a quick tip, once this is enabled, it is a good idea to preview your site so you can test how the music starts and make sure everything works the way you expect. This also helps you confirm that the player is set up properly on the correct page. After that, your autoplay background music setup is complete. That covers everything you need to know.